Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today this video is just a day in my life going to campus. I only go 2 days a week because of COVID, so I thought I'd share what I do in a day. Not very interesting. Listen to music when I wake up just to get me up, and then I eat breakfast. Today was just leftover sushi, and also do a bit of like admin, personal development stuff to get me motivated in the morning, just self-development practices. And of course, chocolate. Yes, I do get good chocolate every day. Then I spent a long time figuring out how to connect my Bluetooth headphones to my computer so that I could go to the kitchen and make lunch for lunch. So finally I figured that out, and then I did a super weird stare to the camera, don't know why, just figuring out how to use it. So yeah, lunch was just beef, stir fry and vegetables, did the dishes. My to-do list is insane because I'm very behind on work, not gonna lie. And then I went on my phone for a bit, trying to cut down on how much I use my phone. And I also have a standing desk, so if I'm not standing, then I'm usually sitting below the desk, and I did a little bit of math work. Then I went to go and change, because why not? No, because I had to. And yeah, I don't usually throw clothes on the floor, obviously, just for effect's sake. Do not do that at home. And then I went on a call with one of the lecturers. It was my first office hour call ever, and this lecturer was super nice. She was really kind, very supporting. And then I put my stuff in my bag to get ready to go. Super exciting stuff. Wear my lanyard because honestly you need it everywhere. You need to get in the building, and you need it to get out of the building. And then after I did that, I made sure to put my lunch in my bag. Yep, dropped it, oopsie me. And then basically it's ready, we're ready to go. I'm ready to go. I was ready to go, yeah, so I left.
So now I am just walking to the train station. I have no idea why I need to even vlog this, but just to try to make the day more interesting. Just like, yeah, I'm walking to the train station. So let's go.
It takes me around an hour and a half to get to LSE, so usually I try to do a bit of reading on the train just to get more stuff done, and then I go to Liverpool Street, and then I change to Holborn. So here's a lovely tour of Liverpool Street Station.
That was the management building from what I think it is. And now I am just walking to the library to see my friend and also do some work. I have an online lecture, chat 1, and then I am going to go to class for econ. So yeah.
So I thought while I show you my route to the library, I will answer a common question that I got a few times, and I used to have as well, is why is student satisfaction rate low, and why actually think of it now that I'm an LSE student, is there enough support? Actually, there is quite a lot of support out there at LSE. It's just, the thing is you are left alone, so you kind of need to go and find the support yourself. So there is a lot, you just need to go and find it yourself. And this is me walking into the library. It is super cool, and like, yeah, I need a car to get in, and I also need a car to get out, so it's pretty secure. But honestly, I just love the library. Like, it's so cool. Like, the stairs, the special stairs. I don't know why I get so excited just walking up the stairs. If you see me, I might be just like running, jumping up and down the stairs every time, but yeah. Oh yeah, and then this is me just looking at all the books. Like, there's so many books, it's just so crazy. Or it's actually, I don't actually go to the library often enough, so that might be. And look, the view is super nice as well. I really like the space, and there's so many spaces to work. Maybe it's because of COVID, but there's so many spaces to work, and I was alone here, so it's nice for me. So I had a meeting, or I was going to see my friend, but I didn't know where she was, so I just sat down and did a bit of work. And yeah, I had a lecture, so everything's online, so that's kind of what I did, just to the library and to work. The chair is super comfy if you want to know, and yeah, this is me not knowing where to put my headphones in.
How are you finding LSE? That's a nice, honest answer.
If you didn't hear what he said, he basically said it was tough because of the workload. It is a bit intense at first, so yeah. So we just sat in the library and did some work. Nothing super exciting.
Yeah, why do you think you got into LSE, and do you have any tips for year 12 applying?
I wouldn't know what I got in, but in terms of tips, I'd just say be yourself in your personal statement. I think that's a priority.
What A-levels did you do?
Economics, maths and history. I study economic history.
I would just say talk about what you enjoy in your personal statement, because your passion will shine through.
have any tips for year 12s who want to apply for LSE?
Don't take life too seriously. Yeah, just enjoy it.
Just go with the flow.
And yeah, I really like taking the lifts, and the lifts in LSE library is honestly super cool. I don't know why I'm so excited to share this, but I don't know, I like the lifts, so yeah, why not share as well.
So now I am going to go to my economics class. Hi everyone, so I just finished class. It was a good one, I guess you could say, and now I'm going for a walk. I'm going to get a drink, and then I'm going to get dinner. It's like nearly 4:30, so then I'm going to go and meet up with a maths academic mentor because, not gonna lie, I'm a bit struggling, so I reached out to her and we're gonna have a meeting and just talk how maybe she could help me or like any maths revision techniques. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go back to the library and basically do work until 10 o'clock, and then I'm going to go home. So yeah, I just love walking around London. I only go to campus 2 days a week, so like every time I get to go to London I'm just like, ooh, I need to go walk around because it's really pretty. So yeah, catch you guys later. So yeah, I went for a walk, I didn't get a drink, but I just couldn't resist. I've actually never tried this flavour before, so I've never tried any Judge's ice cream before, so I just couldn't resist when I saw it. So yeah, I'm gonna have this, and then I am going to go and see my maths, well not mine, but a maths mentor, and then I'm gonna, yeah, basically work. So I'll stop filming and I'm gonna enjoy this, and yeah.
So this is the building opposite the library, and it's where I met the maths academic support mentor. She helped me a lot with kind of like, I was struggling with maths because I haven't done maths for a long time, so kind of had a talk with her. She gave me some books to read, and yeah, just showing you the building. It's really nice. It's where people can talk and work at the same time, so it's nice to chill with your mates. So yeah, I had a look at the book while I was waiting for her, and it's a nice, like, there's lots of sofas, lots of really comfortable places to work. So yeah, after that I basically just sat down and started working myself down there. And then I had a meeting with some other people for some projects I was doing. And yeah, basically that was my day, just working for the rest of the evening. And yeah, nothing, the student life, I guess.
So I finished, well I haven't finished what I was planning to do, but it's late, and so I am going home.
So yeah, that was my day, and I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Please give a like and subscribe if you enjoy it. And yeah, my day is kind of, my diet isn't those like really nice diets. I'm trying to improve it, but yeah, I went home, it was like around 12 o'clock, super tired and just blacked out. So yeah, until next time guys.